In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious pig feet southern style recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need pig feet cleaned and soaked in cold water overnight, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, 1 pepper, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 garlic cloves shredded, and 1 tablespoon of paprika. In a pot over heat, we're going to add in the oil. Add the onions and saute them. Add in the peppers and continue to saute. Season with the salt. Add in the shredded garlic and saute. Add in the tomato and continue to saute. Season with the paprika and the pepper. Add in 2 cups of water. Slowly add in the pig feet. We're going to mix occasionally until the water begins to boil. Once boiling, we're going to lower the heat and cover with the lid and simmer for 2 hours. We're going to mix occasionally so that the pig feet don't stick to the bottom of the pan. It should be done when the meat is fully cooked and it falls off the bone. Our pig feet southern style recipe is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.